Expert tips for graphic designers specializing in logo design. Finalizing the logo. After refining your design, it's time to finalize the logo. Ensure that it looks great in different sizes and formats, from a small social media icon to a large billboard. Create a version of the logo in black and white as well. Finalize the color palette and typography, and prepare the logo files in various formats like N, CVG, and EPS. Step 9. Presentation and delivery. Prepare a professional presentation of your logo to showcase to the client. Include the logo in different contexts such as business cards, websites, and merchandise. Explain the rationale behind the design choices and how they align with the brand's identity. Once approved, deliver the final logo files to the client. Conclusion: that's it for our complete logo design process. We hope you found this guide helpful. Designing a logo is a creative and iterative process that requires a deep understanding of the brand and attention to detail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!